She's from Florida. Say hi to Amanda.
Florida.
Oh, I know it.
Yeah, Florida.
Newport now.
All right, here we go. So I'm going to come over here while Amanda's talking. And they're painting in the inside of this thing. So this is an RJO, and this is a 16-foot RJO. I've got an announcement to make. I can't get Amanda on here enough. We've had so many people here today. We come down to the sales lot, and I'm going to put this on a tripod. She's inside talking. All right, so what I wanted to say, it's a big important announcement. On our website, you'll be able to see the 16, 20, and 24 CGI video, drawings, blueprints of what's going on these three models. These models include appliances and delivery in the price, delivery. So if you are somewhere in Wisconsin, we're bringing it to you. You buy the house, we're bringing this included. It's an amazing price. This one right here is a 16 foot, but the biggest thing we wanted to do is that the trim on this is metal, right? So we just highlighted it, we painted it white, these are our remnant door panels that we originally build our RJOs out of. What we're building them now, that new price includes our new panels. Let me grab the camera and just show you. This is the new panel, okay? See how clean that is? So there's no fasteners. It's about 40 inches wide, okay, each panel, and there's no fasteners. Now, you see the corners are still metal. I'm gonna go back to, yep, there's the RJO. My announcement is that we can put an exterior wood trim like the cottage here. Let me show you here. The cottage has got the flower boxes, okay, shutters. You see that exterior package? So you've got the shutters, these flower boxes. This is an LP trim. It's an expensive trim, but you have this, you have the freeze boards up here, up in the gables. Ace, you stay here, buddy. And then all this is LP trim, flower boxes everywhere. That's an exterior, and it's painted, ready to go. That is an exterior package of $7,000. If you want to put that on the 16 or 20, you can do that. On the 24 foot, we're going to include it in the price. The 24 foot is going to be a sought after model. It's 24 foot long. In the floor plan, go ahead and look at that, because you kind of break it up into 8 foot sections. 8 foot for a bedroom, 8 foot for living room, 8 foot for a kitchen and bathroom. But if you want to go ahead, on the inside is a total trim package on the inside painted. On them, the other two is $7,000. So if you want the inside, outside done and all prettied up with all the wood trim and everything inside like the cottage, it's more, but we're going to include all that in the 24 foot home. So at $49,900, 8 by 24, new panels, delivery included, appliances included, and exterior interior trim package of equivalent of almost $14,000 of extras is included in the 8 by 24. All right, so it's 8 by 24, easy still to haul, lightweight because of the new panels. 4 season, I would feel comfortable taking this to northern Minnesota or southern Florida or Arizona, okay? The hottest and the coldest climates, this home is gonna be just fine. Snow loads, you name it, especially with the gable roof on this RJO. Let me point that camera to our RJO again. You guys can see that triangle roof line right there. That is a snow-loaded roof line. You're in Colorado, you want 10 foot of snow on that thing, that's gonna handle it, okay? So it's the new panels, appliances, delivery included, 8 by 24, $49,900, delivery included. Can't beat it, all right? And that's with the interior and exterior trim package that is extra for the 20-footer and the 16-footer. All right, give us a call. Send us an email at info@incredibletinyhomes.com, sales@incredibletinyhomes.com, or give us a call. Was it 423-438-0111? Get them. This is for 2024. We're building these probably starting at the end of January, 1st of February. We're starting to fill up our 2024 build line. And of course, we got our model homes. Go online. You can see what we have to offer for our big models. But today is just the $49,900 8 by 24 new panel one. All right, everybody. Thank you. can hear Amanda back in the background. I got to get back to her. We've been down here at the sales lot. It's been crazy. So just wanted to get this out really quick because it's really important. This delivery is a big deal. When you buy it, it's one deal. Delivery and all the the appliances included in it, the new panels, it's the setup. So we've been getting a lot of requests. Hey Randy, we just need the house done. I originally wanted to do this as a DIY. People that wanted to save money, we can do that. But that 8x24 is the way to go. All right, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye. Let me go around here a little bit.
Yeah, I need to go get some anyway.
There he is.
Have you been videoing?
Yes. Done. Look at that. I love this RJO. Oh, and it includes a bay window and mini split. Done. See you, bye.